Jocelyn from Science for Kids, and today we will be working on a super fun experiment known as Quacker string. So for this experiment, you will need a cup, a string, another cup with water, a sponge, and a paperclip. The first thing you want to do is poke a hole at the bottom of the cup. It may be difficult to get the hole through, and during this process I would recommend having adult supervision. If the hole is too small, you can make it bigger by poking scissors or another pen through it to expand. The next thing you want to do is take the string and make sure that you put it through the hole. Once you get the string through the hole, you want to pull it out from the inside so that you have string at the top and the bottom. Afterwards, you want to take the part of the string that is outside the bottom of the cup and tie it around the paperclip. And then once you get the paperclip through the cup, you want to make sure that you pull it so that the paperclip now lies at the base of the cup. With the string that is now inside, you can take your sponge and dip it in the water. So you will take your sponge and then fold it against the string so that when you pull, it should make chicken noises or rooster noises. The reason this experiment works is because of vibrations and friction. When the sponge pulls against the string, it'll create friction. Friction is a force that holds movement back while two forces are against each other. And then the cup allows the friction to create vibration, which comes across as sound. That's all for this experiment. Thank you for watching. Bye!